mammal.
Reproduction. They are mammifers.
Nutrition. They are herbivores. They can survive with little water.
Respiration. They breathe with the lungs.
Llamas live in South America.
They use movement to communicate. They can walk. They can run. They are social animals. They are travel together.
Photo gallery.
Pajama doing yoga. A kawaii llama.
A family of llama. A lovely llama.
A little llama. Their physical characteristics. They have got stubby tail. They have got thick fur. They are about 5 feet tall. They can be gray, beige, brown or white. They have got a banana scissor ears. They have got long neck.
Interesting facts. They are used for carrying things and for wood. They were domesticated about 5,000 years ago. They are the national symbol of Bolivia. Llamas are camels' hippie cousins.